So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can fix the problem of could not find bank account in Google Pay. So guys, this kind of common issues comes when your Google Pay mobile number or the number which is linked with your bank account is same, and also if that particular SIM card is not available on your device or the internet connection is low, then you will also face this kind of issue. So if you want to fix this issue, then make sure that the number which you used in Google Pay or your bank account link number is same, and also make sure that you have good internet connection, and also keep in mind that the number which is used in Google Pay and the number which you use which is linked with your bank account are also available in your device in which you are trying to add your bank account in Google Pay. And if you follow all these steps, then you can easily link your bank account with Google Pay. Or friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.